Ukraine attack another Russian ammo depot, this time in occupied Bilovodsk, Luhansk region. According to available information, the occupiers' equipment was located at the plant. Bilovodsk is north of Luhansk city and just 20 kilometers from the border with Russia. Ukrainian strikes on Russian ammunition depots has created a shell shortage in the Russian military, which is reported by Russian bloggers.
Коляс, иди нахрен оттуда, блин.
Russian military experts believe that Russian air defense systems are helpless against Ukrainian ballistic missiles. Russia almost does not have any Patriot-type systems capable of shooting down ballistic missiles. These are systems from Moscow's defense system, and possibly the new Russian S-500 system, which is currently being tested. That is, with the creation of a Ukrainian ballistic missile, Russia is turning into a naked king. If Ukraine has enough of our own ballistic missiles, it will not need to ask for permission to strike inside Russian territory. If Ukraine's missiles are successful, the Russian army will be forced to move its air force 450 kilometers away from the border. Headquarters, repair units, ammunition, and fuel depots will also have to be relocated. All this will affect the combat capability of Russian troops and complicate Russian logistics immensely. Defense forces hit 3 command posts of the occupants, reports the General Staff of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. We are talking about the command posts of the 35th and 27th separate motorized rifle brigades, as well as one of the command posts of the 2nd Combined Armed Forces Army of the Russian Armed Forces. The results of the strikes are being specified. Storm Shadow missiles and GMLRS rockets were used to hit enemy targets. No one's coming back from there. I want to come back. I want to see my child. I want to see my wife. What do I do now? I don't know, honestly. This is the cry of my soul. If anything, goodbye. One of the commanders of the 54th Krasnodar Regiment, Major Petrosyan, against whom there have already been numerous complaints for torture, extortion, and corruption, sends motorized riflemen into a meat assault without any training. The driver of the regiment talks about it in the video. It was Petrosyan who became the hero of the viral video, where he uses a fan to bring up delinquent Russian soldiers.
Hey everyone, what I want to tell you today, some really bad news came in. I'm so nervous, I can't help it. I'm just an ordinary driver. A motorcycle squad. Today we've been gathered. The whole squad is being transferred to assault units, regular motorized rifle units with no experience or training. They just want to send us somewhere. I don't even know where. Just to leave us to rot in the field. Specifically, our commanders are the ones doing this. They should go themselves. Censored. Go first. Censored. Then we see. Censored. Which of them comes back? They found? Censored. Stormtroopers. Censored. I'm personally from the 54th Regiment. Censored. In Krasnodar. We're just ordinary bikers. And now they just throw us into the assault. And it's specifically Major Petrosyan, our battalion commander. I don't know if he sold us out or what. Sending us into this mess, how's it called? 10:08. An intense assault. No one comes back from there. And I want to come back. I want to see my kid. I want to see my wife. And now what? I honestly don't know. This is the cry of my soul. So that's that. If anything, goodbye.
Russian Member of Parliament Andrei Gurulev suggested to return the tax on childlessness. Earlier, Russia decided to ban propaganda of child-free movement, started inviting women for reproductive health checkups, and tried to persuade them to have more children and more often, reminding them that abortion is murder. And then, after Russians are killed in Putin's wars, their parents will resume paying the childlessness tax, so Russia has the money to wage new wars. A perfect cycle.
Wait, did I hear you right? Are you suggesting a tax on childlessness?
Well, I am suggesting it. I'd like it because, well, it's not really my area. Maybe we even started from war or something. And now we're ending up there.
No, we're on that side.
I'm just remembering how it was. But today I realize if we introduce a tax on childlessness, well, it's money from those who don't want to, have children, and use it for those kids who have been left without parents.
Do you understand that people are going to hit you again for this suggestion?
How could it be otherwise? Liberals first, right? With whistles. Some bloody mistress, all the rest complaining. I'm indifferent to it. That's just how it is. I believe any real men, you've only got 100 left of a man in this life. Imagine for you tomorrow what's left. What? First, the name. And second, children. Nothing else really matters. The name you earn in your life. As far as I remember, that's it. And the children who will carry on your legacy on this earth. That's the main thing, probably, if you're truly a man.
It's hard to disagree with that.
Oh, look. Israel is using U.S. Apache helicopters to shoot down enemy drones, but some people says Ukraine don't need those attack helicopters for that.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.